All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about the book of means, or Bome. I'm going to give you all the red zones that we need to consider if we're looking for the price in Bome to go higher. But as of right now, you guys can see that the market may still be weak and not a buying opportunity. Welcome everyone to the channel. Go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe. You guys appreciate my videos and my content. I'm simply here to give you all the understanding that this game doesn't have to be complicated. So if you guys want to learn more, then make sure you guys keep it locked right here. Now check this out. A price prediction that we did for Bome right there on the 15th of November. We were talking about the market in Bome going down. Our analysis was looking for price to go lower. And as you can see, we created two pockets of buying. This first pocket of buying, you guys can see on the 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th of November. The market in Bome bounced from that pocket and it went up. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, people try to tell you that you can't play this game, that it's hard to determine where prices are going to go, where we told you a couple of days in advance that that could be a potential bounce in the market in Bome, and it went up, but it didn't last long. You guys can even see on the 2nd and the 3rd of December what happened in Bome. The market bounced at that pocket again. This is where buyers are active. When people come in and buy, when people come in and sell, and if they have a whole lot to buy and sell, they would do it multiple times, not just one time. Look how many times the market bought Bome in this pocket and went up. Now, it didn't last long, because on the 9th of December, those buyers, they left, they retreated. They got scared, they ran out of money, and they had to go home. They couldn't play the game anymore. And that's when price in Bome fell through that pocket of buying. So now that pocket is now irrelevant. We don't need it anymore. They're gone. But then take a look at this. Isn't that crazy? Our next pocket of buying, the market in Bome, bounced from that pocket. Like, this is crazy that you're able to do this. I'm not putting no indicators. I'm not talking about no fundamental analysis. I'm simply looking at what everyone else is doing. The market bounced 25.84% right there on December the 9th. All right, so let's get rid of it. And this definitely didn't last long. The buyers immediately, almost 7 days in, left that pocket. So they're not there anymore. We could get rid of this uptrend line. They're not there anymore. They're not trending. And then when I look at the market in Bome here, we created another pocket. Isn't this crazy? All these bounces that we're getting on these pockets. So the market bounced in Bome on the 20th of December at a pocket that we created all the way back since like September. The buyers who bought in September, they bought again, lifted price up, and now they're not there anymore because price is below that pocket. So who's controlling this cryptocurrency right now? Who do you think is controlling this market? Yeah, right now on this exchange, on Binance, we're making all-time lows. So a reasonable person, a logical person would say, hey, it looks like these sellers are the ones moving this crypto's price. And I would agree with you. I would not be bullish in the market right now in Bome. Now let me go ahead and show you this area right here. We're going to create a couple of pockets of selling, since we think sellers are the ones moving the price. So just like what I was talking about with the buyers holding a pocket, we would expect those sellers to hold too in Bome. So whenever price comes to these pockets, we would expect a reaction. Meaning I would look for price to begin to go down. I would look for price to increase selling to push price down. Okay. So I think these would be the pockets that we'll create into the market in Bome. Now let's look at this on a couple of time frames. Here is Bome on the 2. Look at this 2-day price bar right there. The only way that I would change the analysis that Bome is not weak is if on this current 2-day price bar, the market comes all the way back up to the high of that prior 2-day bar. If that happens, then I would say, yeah, I think we got the bottom into the market in Bome, and we may actually anticipate higher prices. But we got to let that play out first, because this market definitely is weak. Here it is on the 3. We have 11 hours and 57 minutes left, and we're still getting a signal that the market is a sell, even right now. And the crazy part is that look at this volume too on the 3. It's higher than all of the volume that we've seen since November 14, 2024. So why is this cryptocurrency trending down? People don't want to buy it? Because that's what it looks like. Here it is on the 4 too. That is definitely bearish right there on that 4 bar. Take a look at Bome on the 5. I'm not showing you anything. I'm not trying to convince you. We are simply investigating the history of what everyone else has done recently in this cryptocurrency. And the majority of the people in this cryptocurrency, they've been selling. Nobody's been buying this cryptocurrency that will overwhelm the sellers, that we can actually see price begin to go higher. Not yet. Now, we are trading at all-time lows from this exchange. So we also need to consider that at any point in time, the market in Bome could find bottom and begin to go higher. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this here, because we are going to place an idea that Bome is still weak. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Now, I don't know how low this cryptocurrency is going to go, because zooming out this price chart, there is no historical information that we can gauge to figure out where could the next pocket of buying be. So I don't know. Maybe you guys can drop a comment for the community so everyone else can see where you think price is going to go and how low it's going to go. So by me stating that, anywhere within our profit target area will have to be TP, because I have no idea. Okay. So since we got 35.25% as a stop loss up there, we're just going to extend it to 35% here as an ultimate TP price. Will it go that low? I don't know. But we haven't seen a switch in the market sentiment of the sellers leaving or retreating and the buyers coming in yet. We haven't seen that yet. So we're just going to continue to go with the notion that the sellers wanted more. I'm done. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.